Hello there, you're welcome to this tutorial. So today I'm going to show you this AI tool that removes Jesus Christ. This AI tool that removes image backgrounds so perfectly. I really love it, and it's one of the best AI tool out there. I really can recommend. Alright, so I'll just click the graphics design apps. This is my own store. I'll click on the app. This application is called Photoroom. Alright, so you can download it from Play Store. So I'm going to do my best to attach the link to the description of this video. Alright, so you can subscribe for Pro as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so once it loads like this, so you want to remove image background, want to change your background, you want to attach shadows. There are a lot of things you can do in this application, and I have a dedicated course on this particular application. So if you want to get that, will be in the description as well. You can check the 5-in-1 smartphone graphic design course, complete course. Photoroom is one of the applications. I explained very well there. But I want to show you how to remove image background. So you click transparent, and then you are going to go to your gallery, and then you will pick that particular image. Okay, go to your gallery and pick. I think most of my images here are quite transparent already, so let me just go to, so you just click gallery. If you're not seeing them in recent, click gallery, and then you can navigate to where the images are, pick the particular image, make transparent. So let's pick this particular one that we sharpened, we increased the quality of this image the last time. So let's remove the background today. So after clicking transparent, I'm clicking this. Now the quality of this image was very poor. We had to use an AI tool to increase the quality to times 4 the quality, and you can see how bright it is now. Now the background is removed perfectly. You can see. Alright, very perfect. So this is the tool I use for most of my background edits. If I'm not using Figma plugins, I use this particular one to remove my background. And one of the things I love about this is it maintains the quality. Unlike sometimes remove.bg can also help you. Alright, so for this particular video I'm making, it's not really sponsored by Photoroom yet. Okay, it's not sponsored by them. So I'm just showing you how you can remove backgrounds perfectly without losing quality. So this is one of the best AI tools I have used in recent times. So click export, and then you can save to gallery, and it's going to be saved. So let me just save it. Maybe I might need it for 1 or 2 tutorials later on. So awesome. So you can go ahead to rate them. If I don't think I'm not sure whether I've rated them. Okay, so there are a lot of other things you can do here. Right? You can even create designs here. Yeah. The tutorial today is just for you to know how to remove image backgrounds perfectly without losing quality, and that is how to do that in this application. So check the description of the video for the link to this application, and you can get it from Play Store and try it out, see how it works. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Like this video, comment, share this video to other people as well, so that others can also benefit from what you're benefiting from, which is this channel. Okay, thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Tomorrow another video is loading, and another video is coming up live tomorrow. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that you won't miss any important update that is coming up. Thank you. Bye for now.